Warm yogurt is disgusting. Let me fucking show you. Here I have some plain yogurt fresh from the fridge. I'm just gonna put some in a bowl right here. 1, 2, 3. Fuck, it's hard to record while doing this. Alright, fuck. There's 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Open the microwave. Put that shit in. I don't know, for like 1:30. It's in, boys. It'll have more flavor than you can fucking imagine. Clock's ticking. I'll go back to you in a second. Alright, there's about 10 seconds left and we can see that it's fucking bubbling inside. I'm kind of concerned. It smells like milk. Oh god, it smells like yogurt. Wow, who could have thought? Ah, Jesus Christ. Fuck. Look at that. Yum, yum. Fucking yogurt. Warm yogurt. This is hot yogurt. This is fucking delicious. Look, it has quite a watery texture, but well, let's see. We have a taste. Fuck, it's so good. Oh my god, you should fucking try this. It has that milky smell. Look, it's really watery. It has that milky smell. Still that same acidic yogurt fucking flavor. You should go ahead and try this. I fucking swear.